transferred on stage, go do an interview and come right back. At all. Kartel, you are not legendary. And I look and I saw Kartel curl up like a snake. Belly. But you know what? You know what is shocking? Jaja, Kartel, why are they giving you chemo? Lord Claude. I thought they said you were sick with your heart. But then when I did the arithmetic, the first day you come out of jail, you have the wine bottle in your hand. And I said, there is no way somebody sick with them heart have wine bottle in them hand. And then, me I watch you, me notice say, you don't have no short breath.